So we playing cars versus trains. In today's video, I will make a maniac about the train collision in the Indonesian train. So here I go. Oh no! The train was derailed, causing the train to crash on the railroad crossing. Oh no! I died, but I respawned here. And what is even that? Attention, attention, flying debris, flying debris. And you need them to stop causing chaos. In order to avoid making chaos, we first needed to gradually to uh to move to switch the direction, or otherwise, or you'll change, or you'll create a combined color between the red and green directions. So okay, here it goes. A train impact on Indonesia happened in 1985, where all people from the front of the train died, and others from the back of the wagon from the cars survived. Here it goes. In 3, 2, 1, let's go. Look at it goes. It broke the bridge. Trick me into that. Why is not exploding? Oi, oi, mamma mia! Mamma mia! Mamma mia! What just happened? Oh yeah, so I'm just going to be insane. What the hell? So okay, I must need to be resetting. Let's get on the top of the concrete and let's see what happens. Goes on a bump. An explosion. 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 Everything is exploding. He's the most strongest bomboclat in history. So just in case, I need to fix the track, actually. Kemana manusia biasa? Treng-ireng. That means we are in the front and we turn down. But if we are on the back of the car, that means we are going. should be alive. So the similar colors is green and green. So if we cause an incident, so let's see. Please wait. Okay. Destroyed. Oh look! Oh look! But the train is not going to land. Yup! Yup! The Indonesia text and the flag of Indonesia has been fell. I guess we need $100,000 to repair this sign. What if? What if? Look at that. Look at that, boys. I mean, Saja boys. Actually. Bro, really. Ooh, the fastest train goes lose control. No, it's sunless. I guess it's so annoying. Of what kind of that? So it could be a malfunction or a session error. Actually, call the train. What does that glitch regenerate? It's actually gonna end the chaos. End the chaos. Oh man. Okay, so I just tried to okay, the train goes fast, and I need something. I need something to stop, or we could create chaos. How is it named? A meme joke. Okay. So we just can cross and just one day take a look. Because I'm scared of what players do when they're interacting with that mini truck. Okay, anyways, start a collision. Okay, okay, okay. Move! Another box. Boom! Slam! I'm thrown. And I'm thrown. Just look what incident was caused. Rest in peace, mini truck. Those big holes. Those big craters are in there. What the manganese? Is just an incident or is just an accident or something? It can stand on television. Enjoy. Stop on resting. How I enable the chaos. Mamma mia. Wow. Another thing stop is stopping. Maledictus. Okay, so another thing is going on a collision course. There was an incident, you know. However, or holy mustard. What are those debris? Fun. Anyways, let's start the chaos. This. Hee Impact creates a crater. An impact creates a crater. Yup, that's right. In Roblox game, you have to ride two trains from Indonesia. Indonesia, to form a club. I don't think to form a club, and that's just an incident. We'll try to fell off. Boom! The railroad is coming! The railroad crossing has crossed the line. And Bomboclat! but I can actually switch places. The similar colors is red, red, and green. That makes the train collide each other. So if the train switches places, that means it could be swapped. So here we go. I covered the ground is so humbling. Huh? Great. Now if I place the corridor right here, what stallion is that? Yeah, I try not. I say try not to fix the, and then I forgot. Anyways, I got it. I'm going to fix. I'm going to fix the track. Region the train, all trains, and the problem is collision attack. One. Let's just say it's $500,000 to fix it. Mamma mia. Mamma mia. What should I just say? Mamma mia. Mario. Spaghetti. Oh. You show, ay, you show, ay, you show, ay, you show. I just died. The is a really jump scare. Okay. So I starting by switching place and still do it. But what was going on? Holy shit! He's just got Mamma Mia's. Mamma Mia. He's correct. I'm almost dead. Dead. Oh no! What is happening? That's it for now, everyone. And don't forget to don't forget to say, and don't forget to thank you for watching, guys. And please don't forget to say Sasha Boys love you. My little soda pop.